Welcome to Foundations. Today I thought we'd warm our brains up by reviewing the double letters. So our double letters are F, L, and S. And remember, a one-syllable word with a short vowel ending in F, L, or S gets a double letter, F, L, or S. Okay, so just to remind you, a one-syllable word with a short vowel in the middle, ending with the letter F, L, or S. That's how they get a double letter. Okay, perfect. So today we have a word of the day and we have 3 trick words. So we got to get going. Let's start with our word of the day. So the word of the day is ducks. Now the word ducks has 2 meanings. First of all, let's talk about the base word, duck. Okay, so we could be talking about a duck in the pond, right? So which is singular, if we add the S, it becomes plural, meaning ducks, that there's more than one duck in the pond. Okay, so ducks, look at the ducks in the pond. Okay, or we could look at the base word duck. If somebody was going to throw something and it was about to hit you, they could say duck, right? So adding an S would make it an action word, ducks. She ducks her head to miss the book. Okay, so does that make sense? So again, this is our word of the day. So that goes in the vocabulary section of our student notebooks. But let's write a sentence first because we have to have a sentence to go with this word. So ducks. I tried to think of an action word for the word ducks. I mean, I've got the action word ducks, but I tried to think of an action sentence for like she ducks her head, and it was really tricky. So I'm gonna go easy. I'm gonna say the ducks. The ducks at the pond look cool. The ducks at the pond and look cool. Punctuation at the end. The ducks at the pond look cool. I'm going to underline the word ducks. Okay, so we're going to go to our student notebook and we're going to add this sentence in the vocabulary section, which is the middle of our book. And it starts on the letter that we're looking for is D, and D starts on page 31. So we're going to write the ducks at the pond look cool. So the first thing we're going to do is write the word ducks first. Ducks. And then we're going to write the sentence. Using the lines, the ducks at the pond look cool. Period. Okay, you have 2 lines. Putting spaces between your words, but I think you can fit it on there if you write slow. Capital letter at the beginning, punctuation at the end. Ducks, the ducks at the pond look cool. Now let's mark up the word ducks because we know if there's a suffix S at the end, we want to know the root word. So the root word is duck. So put an arched line under duck. We're going to circle the S without, you have to still be able to identify it. So make sure you can still see it's an S. Circle the S. And I want to talk about the CK, the K sound at the end. Okay, that's a digraph. So let's underline that digraph. So again, we have the CK that makes the K sound. So we're going to underline that. We're going to underline the root word, which is the arch underline. for duck, and we're going to circle the suffix s. Remember, duck can have two meanings. The ducks on the pond, or the duck on the pond, right? Ducks. And duck, if someone was going to throw something and they might yell, or they might say duck, and you would have to duck your head. She ducks her head. So that makes it an action word. So this word can be plural with the S, or it can be an action word with the S. Okay? Perfect. All right, so you're going to post this to Seesaw, page 31 to Seesaw. But we're also going to introduce some trick words. So I'm going to erase my board real quick. So our trick words are where, there, and here. Okay, so I'm going to write some sentences to go with that. So where is Tom? So capital W, where is, Tom is capital because it's a name. Okay, where is Tom? Question mark at the end because where is asking a question. Okay, all right, now let's write there. Tom is there. Period. So that's not asking us a question. It's just telling us something. Tom is there. Just a statement. And then we have the word here. We could also write Tom is here. Punctuation, because again, that's another statement. So where is another question word? Where is Tom? Capital letter at the beginning. Punctuation is a question mark. Tom is capital because it's a name. Tom is there. Right? Circle where and there. Tom is there. And Tom is here. Punctuation is a period at the end of each one of those sentences because it's just telling you where he is. It's not asking a question, it's answering. All right, so we're going to write where, there, and here in the trick word section of your student notebook. So let's go to the W. So again, the trick word section's in the back of your book. So you're going to look for the W's. So that's going to be on page 84. And you're going to write the word where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. And then you could go to the T and look for there. So the T's start on page 83. After they, you're going to write there. T-H-E-R-E. Perfect. And then our last one is here. So we're going to write that under the H in our trick word section. So that starts on page 78. And you're going to write after the word have, you're going to write the word here. H-E-R-E. And I hope that you're noticing something. They all have H-E-R-E, right? Where has a W in front of the H-E-R-E. There has a T in front of the H-E-R-E. And here is just H-E-R-E. Cool little pattern. Where, there, and here. So if you want to write one of those words, remember how to spell here or remember how to spell there, and that will help you write the other words. Okay, awesome. So I believe that's it. So what I need you to do is I need you to post to Seesaw ducks with your sentence. I need you to post your page to where, there, and here to Seesaw. Okay, can't wait to see your work. Have a great day.